To get to where you need to be, you're going to need to take on a little bit of pain now. So real quick video, guys. We talk about it in the 13th grade, our financial literacy course, which again, we do for free. To get to where you need to be, you're going to need to take on a little bit of pain now and live a little bit of uncomfortableness now, early on in your life, to be comfortable later on. When all of your friends are out there partying, going out to fancy dinners, buying the new shoes, buying the fancy clothes, when you step back and live frugal to take that money and to purchase assets, you get to a certain point where those assets pay for the lifestyle that you want to live. I don't even know what day it is, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it doesn't really matter. The kids wanted to go see Disney World, they wanted to go to the beach, we popped in the car, we drove out here, we're sitting on the beach, we're on our way to Disney World. We have assets paying for this trip, assets paying for our lifestyle. We don't have to work at 95, we can do whatever we want, whenever we want. We are only able to do that by sacrificing a little bit early, putting those investments to work for us, and now reaping the rewards.